Good morning, everyone. Where are you? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm very much fine. So,
Good
good
morning.
morning. So what were you doing in your previous class?
How are you, ma'am?
So, what were you doing in your previous class? I was watching you all. You were playing a game, right? है ना मेमोरी वो मैम ने कोई मैजिकल गेम खिलाया था ना I was watching you. So everyone's answer was 5. Very good. So okay, I'll also start with a game. Okay? So then get ready with a copy and a pencil. You have to write the answer in your copy and you have to show me in the camera. Okay? Get ready everyone. Yes, Nitin. Nitin, you want to say something? And those videos are off. I will not ask anything from them. If your video is off, you are absent in my class. You will mark as absent. I will not put your present. Yes, Kashvi. Wait. Yes, Kashvi.
मैम मैम
Yes.
मैम आपने कल वो है ना मैम सबसे लाइंस पूछी थी ना मैम किसी भी चीज के ऊपर मैम मैम मैंने बस वो बनाया नहीं मैम आपको मैं बता सकती हूँ मैम मैम ड्रेस के बारे में मैम 3 लाइन
But you have to speak in English.
ओके मैम
Okay.
ओके मैम
Kashvi. Okay. You can start fast so we can start our new class.
my
Okay,
dress
Kashvi.
My dress is very beautiful. My dress have 2 flowers. My dress color is pink.
Very good, Kashvi. Very nice. Okay. So we will start our game. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me thumbs up. Yes, like. Yes, very good. Kashish Verma, are you ready? Yes, very good. Everyone should be active. It's a morning class. You all look so smart. And girls look so beautiful. Why you such hide your face? Ahana, looking very pretty. Your dress is very nice. And Bhavika Shikhawat is invisible. I can't see her. I can see only door. Yes, so let's start. Somit Singh. Okay, so my first question is I'm going to ask you a riddle, Paheli. You have to write the answer and show me, okay? Okay. Then I was So first question is listen carefully. Only 5 questions I'll ask, then you have to mark yourself, okay? And at the last I'll give you the answer for checking. So first question is I am full of holes. Listen carefully. I am full of holes. I can hold water. What am I? I am full of holes. I can hold water. What I am? Who can give the answer? Kashvi, that new one got the answer. Samar, write down what is the answer. Kashvi, you are asking from someone. Give your answer what it is. Think what it should be. I am full of holes. I can hold water. What am I? Write down your answer. Yes, Samar. Wait. Class. No. No, it's wrong answer. It's not class. It's a thing. It's a non-living thing. Think what it can be. Hope you have done. If you have, at last I'll give you the answer. You have to mark yourself. If your answer is correct, then give 1 mark. Or if not correct, then 0. Okay? Done? Bhavika, where were you? Write down the answer. I have asked something. Yes, Bhavni.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैंने मेरा आंसर लिख लिया
What is
एक बार आप बता दो
So, I will give you answer at last. Otherwise, everyone can cheat, right?
ओके
Kashvi, new one.
क्वेश्चन क्या है
Have you done?
यस मैम
Okay, I am giving you next question. Don't answer.
ओके मैम
Yes, Divyansh Khatri. Done? Don't give your answer and don't show now. Okay? At
मैम हम
last we
ऐसे
will
लिख
check.
सकते हैं क्या हमने मैम क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखा हम ऐसे लिख
कैसे?
सकते हैं आई एम और फिर हम वो लिख देंगे जो आंसर है आई एम लिख के वो कर
Just
देंगे
write the number. Just write the number and answer. Okay.
मैम
Second
हम ऐसे
number is
लिखेंगे आई
what
एम
gets. Okay, okay. It's up to you how you want to write. Okay. So next question is what gets wet when drying? What gets wet when drying? कौन है जो सुखाने पे गीला हो जाता है? What gets wet? कौन है जो गीला हो जाता है when drying? जब सुखाते हैं. Think about it. Write down your answer number 2 if you know. Gaurav, did you got the answer? No? Think about it. क्या होगा जिसको हम सुखाएंगे लेकिन वो गीला हो जाएगा? Think. Kalpit Goyal, where are you? Come in front of camera. Did you get the answer? No? No? Okay, write down fast. Sarthak Jain. Think कौन सी चीज है जो हम सुखाने के लिए यूज करते हैं बट वो गीला हो जाता है? Think about it. I have given you a hint. Aradhya Mathur. Cheating. Aradhya Mathur cheating. Aradhya went somewhere, asked and then came back. Yes, right. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. Start. What are the 2 things people never eat before breakfast? What are the 2 things people never eat before breakfast? कौन सी 2 चीजें हैं we can't have before breakfast जो हम breakfast से पहले नहीं खा सकते हैं? Kanishka, think about it. How many answers you have given? Show me your finger. How many answers you are right? एक भी आया कनिष्का? It's your mind games. कितने आ गए? 2 आ गए? Very good. Varnika Dubey. How many have you done? Show me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Piyush Soni. Have you done? Got the answer? Bhavni 2. Very good. Sarthak done? Sarthak done? Soumya? Did you understood answer? No? Okay. Now number 4. Number 4. Okay, it's very easy. Jitesh done? Yes, Piyush Goyal. Prakul Goyal or Piyush Goyal. Yes. Yes, Prakul. सारे सही हैं. अरे वाह, you are cheating. Are you cheating?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It's okay. Very, very good then. Yes, Shivanshu Meena.
मैम मैं बताऊंगा मैम उसका आंसर मैम वो मैम
नहीं, at last I will ask. Otherwise, everyone can cheat. So wait. And
मैम
next
चीट
question
नहीं
is
करा मैम
number
मेरे
4.
को मैम मन में याद आ गया कि हम फ्रूट्स खा सकते हैं.
अच्छा, ब्रेकफास्ट के पहले क्या नहीं खा सकते हो? What you can't have? It's not possible. It's impossible to eat something before breakfast. What it is? कौन सी ऐसी दो चीजें हैं? That is impossible. Udita got the answer. I'll ask at the last. Don't give your answer right now.
And
At
chocolate.
last I will ask. Chocolate we can eat. It's not impossible. Okay, question number 4. Listen carefully. What has 2 hands and a face? What has 2 face and a face but no arms and no legs? What has किसके 2 हाथ हैं, एक फेस है but no arms and no legs? हाथ भी नहीं है, आर्म भी नहीं है, लेग्स भी नहीं है. What it is? Think about it. It's very easy. ये सबके घर में है. Think. Devansh Udrani. What is the answer? Yes, Kashvi, new one. What you want to say? Don't give answer. Just what you want to say. You got the answer.
Yes.
Very good. You have to mark yourself. Okay. Out of 5, you have to mark yourself. Don't cheat. It's just a game. आपको कोई result नहीं मिल रहा है, so don't cheat. It's just a fun game. Okay. To sharpen your mind. Kashvi also done. Okay, hope done. Then we will go for the next question. Okay, done. 5 number kare. Okay. Then last question is what has many keys but can't open any door? What has many keys but can't open any door? कौन सी चीज है जिसमें बहुत सारी कीज है? की मीन्स चाबी. कीज है बट कांट ओपन डोर. बट एक भी डोर ओपन नहीं कर सकती. व्हाट इट इज? थिंक अबाउट इट. वर्णिका. Look in front of camera. Don't cheat. नहीं आ रहा. वर्णिका. What happened, Varnika?
मैम मुझे पता ही नहीं है जिसके
Yes.
वो खोल नहीं सकता, पता ही नहीं है मैम.
सोचो किसमें कीज होती है बहुत सारी. Think. It's not too much hard. It's very easy.
Ready?
Okay, done. Done? Okay. So first show me your paper. How many marks you gain? Cheating नहीं करेंगे. I'll give you answer, then you have to mark yourself. Okay? I can't check your paper. You have to check yourself. Kanishka, wait. I'm giving you answer. Check. If your answer is correct, then give score 1, then 2, then 3. Okay? Okay. Listen to me. Don't ask. I have unmuted you all. Please listen to me. Okay? So first question was, I am full of holes. I can hold water. What the answer? Who can give the answer? Give.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, bucket. Ma'am, bucket.
No. Bucket can't hold water. Bucket में आप पानी डालोगे तो गिर जाएगा. So answer is sponge. Sponge होती है ना, उसको क्या करो, आप पानी में डालो, वो क्या करता है? It soaks the water. पानी को होल्ड कर लेता है ना. उसमें क्या होते हैं? Too many holes. कनिष्का. Right? So जिसका correct है, then give your 1, otherwise 0. Kalpit, answer was right or wrong? If your answer is right, like do this. If not right, then do this. Okay? Okay. It was little bit tough. Okay. Go for second question. What gets wet when drying? What is the answer? किसका आंसर कौन दे सकता है? What gets wet when drying? Drying. अरे. Its answer is towel. Towel क्या करता है? What gets wet when drying? Towel से हम क्या करते हैं? सुखाते हैं, but towel कैसी हो जाती है? Wet हो जाती है, right? So right answer is towel. Okay? Okay? Then number 3. What are the 2 things people never eat before breakfast? इसका आंसर कौन देगा? कौन सी ऐसी 2 चीजें हैं that's impossible to take before breakfast? Kashvi, new one. Okay, Kashvi. Yes, Kashvi, give your answer.
Food and sweets.
No, it's not impossible. We can have, है ना, खा तो सकते हैं. It's impossible तो नहीं है वो. So your correct answer is lunch and dinner. Samar Singh, your answer is right? No? अच्छा, answer right है? Very good, Samar. Wait, Samar. Yes, Samar.
मैम लंच एंड डिनर ही लिखा था मैम मैंने.
अच्छा. Okay, so answer is lunch and dinner. Lunch जो रात में होता है, lunch दिन में होता है, dinner रात में होता है. It's impossible to have before breakfast, right?
Right, ma'am.
Okay. Then next was, what has 2 hands, a face, but no arms and no legs? Who can give that answer?
मैम इन दोनों का तो मैम मेरे को आए.
Prakul Goyal, give your answer.
मैम क्लॉक.
Yes, right, Prakul. Yes, right. It's clock. Clock has 1 face, 2 hands, but no arm and no leg. Okay. Then question number 5 is, what has many keys but can't open any door? Who can give the answer for that?
मैम कीबोर्ड.
Yes, keyboard. Yes, right. Keyboard, and one more thing, piano. Piano has too much keys, है ना? But we can't open door. Okay, well done. So how much score you gained? Give score to yourself and show me on the camera.
मैम
Don't cheat. It's okay. Who is this 5?
Ma'am, please check.
Who is this? Beta, tell your name.
Ma'am, Prakul.
Yes, Prakul. Okay, you are unmuted. Yes, well done, Prakul. आपके पूरे सही है. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Divyansh Khatri.
5.
How many marks you gain? 5.
5.
अरे वाह, अभी तो किसी को नहीं आ रहा था. Now everyone having 5 marks. Okay, well done. Okay, Vanshika Soni.
Ma'am, 5th number is keyboard.
Yes, keyboard, piano. Okay. Anything which has keys. Okay, well done. मजा आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Daily we will play a new game. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
On Monday I'll search a new game for you. Okay. Till then. Okay, from today onwards, I'll give you 5 sentences to learn and you have to use that in your daily life. English speaking start करेंगे. So simple sentence I'll give you any 5 sentence that you can use at your home with your friends. Okay, so you have to practice for that. English बोलने के लिए we don't need to write anything. It's need a practice. It's a language. Okay, so language को क्या चाहिए? Practice. So daily I'll give you any 5 lines that you can use in your daily life. Okay, so when I'm first I'll say the sentence, then you have to repeat it with me at least 3 times. Okay, done? Okay, so first is very easy and बहुत useful है that you use in your daily life. First is when you want to say something that ये किसका mobile है, then what will you say in English? You have to repeat it with me. Language needs practice, so you have. Yes, whose mobile is this? Repeat with me. Whose mobile is this? Again.
Whose mobile is this? Whose mobile is this?
Yes, right. 3 times you need to repeat.
Whose mobile is this? Mobile is this? Whose mobile is this? Whose mobile is this?
Very good. Stop.
Mobile is this? Whose mobile is this? मैम आपको पता था कीबोर्ड का आंसर कीबोर्ड है मैं फर्स्ट
Okay. So done. You have to repeat. Okay. Then what your answer will be, if it's your mobile, then you will say it's my mobile. Repeat it. It's my mobile. It's my mobile. Summer, don't play. Okay. 3 times you have to repeat. It's my mobile. This you have to use in your daily life. At your home, this sentence you have to use. Then only you can speak in English. We are starting with the simple sentence. है ना? It's my mobile. और अगर ये किसी और का है, then what will you say? If your phone is your mother's phone, then what will you say? It is my mother's mobile, right? It is my mother's mobile. Okay? Kashvi, repeat 3 times. It is my mobile. Bolo. If your mother's, then it is my mother's mobile. Yes, very good. Very good, Kashvi. Very good. Okay, done. Then next is this mobile is mine. It is my mobile की जगह आप use कर सकते हो this mobile is mine. This mobile is mine. बोलो बेटा, लैंग्वेज को आपको रिपीट करना पड़ेगा. You have to do the practice for that. Yes, Nitin, repeat it. This mobile is mine. Only 5 times, Kashvi, it's okay. Kashvi is doing very nicely and counting. Very good, Kashvi. Okay, that's it. आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? First listen to me, then you have to repeat. What are you doing? I can see who is repeating. What are you doing? What are you doing? 3 times you have to repeat. And you have to use it. I will ask tomorrow, I will ask to your parent, you are using this sentence or not. Samar Singh, what are you doing? Samar, what are you doing? Give me answer. Yes, Samar. Give me
Ma'am,
answer.
I am
What are
studying.
you doing?
Ma'am, I am
You are
studying.
studying. No, you are playing. You were playing. You are playing with something. Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, repeat with me. What are you doing? Everyone have to repeat. What are you
What are
doing?
you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you
What
doing?
are you doing?
What are you doing?
Yes, you need practice for that. Yes, आप practice नहीं करोगे तो आपके मुंह से इंग्लिश नहीं निकलेगी. आप डरोगे, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
ये लिखो what are you doing?
भाविका शेखावत. Wait, Bhavika. Yes, Bhavika.
What are you
Repeat with
doing?
me.
You doing? What are you doing? What
Bhavika.
what
Yes,
are
Okay,
you
okay, Samar, mute yourself.
doing?
Yes, Bhavika, repeat with me. What are you doing?
what are you doing?
Bhavika, bolo. Very good. One more time.
What are you doing?
One more time, Bhavika. Very good.
What
One
are
more time.
you doing?
Okay, now give me the answer that what are you doing?
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
I am studying. I am listening. Yes, give me the answer now.
Okay. I am studying.
Yes, I am studying. I am attending my online class. I am learning speaking English. Okay, very good. So you have to repeat, and you will use that lines in at your home.
Yes, ma'am.
भाविका आप यूज करोगे ना घर पे? Yes, when you chat with your friends or talk with your friend, you have to use this sentence for practice. Okay, so simple
Okay.
line I am just giving you to practice.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good, Bhavika. Now you mute yourself. Vikas Nabrani, Nibwani. Vikas. Yes, Vikas, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you give me answer. What are you doing?
I am studying.
Repeat. Yes,
I
studying. And repeat with me. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
No, first. Yes, again repeat. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Somit, repeat it. I'm unmuting one by one, but you have to repeat at your home. I'm listening or not. It's okay, but you have to repeat it. So if you are eating something, then what will you eat? What will you say, Vikas? If you are eating something, I am. हमारे लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? I am, है ना? I am.
And
I am.
I am eating something.
If you are eating breakfast, no, you will say having. I am having lunch. Bolo, I am having lunch.
I am having lunch.
Okay. If you are having breakfast, then you will say, I am having my breakfast. Bolo, repeat
I
it.
am having my breakfast.
Everyone repeat. I am having.
I am having my breakfast.
Vikas. Yes, very good, Vikas. Repeat it again. I am having my breakfast.
I am having my breakfast.
Vikas, confidently you have to say, beta. I am having my breakfast. एकदम अच्छे से बोलो.
I am having my breakfast.
I am having. Again.
I am having my breakfast.
5 times you have to repeat. 5 times you have to repeat. Count and repeat. Everyone.
I am having
I'm
my
just looking at you, everyone. I can read your lips. I am having. Again, Sarthak. Count and repeat 5 times.
I am having
Very
my
good, Prakul.
I am
Kashish Verma, where are you?
मैम क्या आवाज नहीं आ रही?
Okay. Now, okay, Vikas, you can mute yourself. Then next one, Udita Yadav. And that video is off. I will not ask anything from them. Udita Yadav. Okay, beta. One minute, Udita.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning, beta. Now you have to repeat. Others, please repeat, count and repeat 5 times for sentence. Okay, with me and Udita. So, okay. If we are watching TV, then we will say, Udita, I am watching television. Udita, repeat with me, Udita. Or you can say TV. I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
Or whatever you are watching on that. Very good. Jitesh Nathrani, repeat it and count. I want to see your fingers and lips.
TV. I am
Yes,
watching
I am watching TV. Or if you are watching a movie, then you can say I am watching a movie named जो भी नाम है. I am watching a movie जो भी नाम है. What movie you watched? Yes.
I am watching movie.
कौन सी मूवी आप देखते हो? Yes, right. Udita, listen. कौन सी मूवी आप देखते हो? You have to complete this sentence with that. कौन सी मूवी अच्छी लगती है आपको? देखते हो आप?
मैम
Any movie? नहीं देखते हो?
No, ma'am.
Then you can say, okay. So you watch cartoons?
Yes, ma'am.
Which type of cartoon you watch? Which type?
Doraemon, Motu Patlu.
Yes, Doraemon. So you can say, yes, right. So I am watching Motu Patlu.
I am
Repeat it. 5
Patlu.
times. Repeat each and every one.
Watching Motu Patlu. I am watching.
5 times.
I am
Yes.
watching Patlu. I am watching Motu Patlu. I am watching Motu Patlu.
Very good. Okay. Stop. Udita, if you're watching something, and please listen carefully. If we watch TV, then we will not use see. आप नहीं बोलोगे कि हम TV. I am seeing the TV. I see TV. You will not use see. You watch the TV. Watch करते हैं हम TV को, मोबाइल को. Okay. कुछ भी चल रहा होता है, then it's watchable. You will use watch. And parents, for all the parents, please take care of this. Your son and daughters are using this sentence at home. सारे पेरेंट्स को ये देखना है कि इनके पेरेंट्स यूज करें ये सेंटेंस. ओके, इट्स अ होमवर्क फॉर योर पेरेंट टू वॉच यू ऑल. ओके, हाँ, हम क्यों सीख रहे हैं? टू बोलने के लिए है ना, धीरे धीरे सीखेंगे ना. नाउ यू आर इन क्लास 4, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश. देन नेक्स्ट इज, इफ अगर कोई और कुछ कर रहा है, देन व्हाट वी विल आस्क, what is he doing? Repeat it. What is he doing?
What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he
Yes.
doing? What
Nitin
is he
Bhardwaj. Yes. अगर कोई और कर रहा है तो हमें वो भी पता होना चाहिए ना. What are you doing? We are asking to each other. But if we are asking for any other one, any other person or any third person, then what we will say? What is he doing? Repeat it.
What
Devansh Udrani.
What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing?
Okay. If there is a boy, okay. If there is a boy, we will use he. Okay. If there is a girl, we will use she. So that we all know, right? ये तो हम सबको पता है ना? So if a girl is there and doing something, what we will ask? What is she doing? Repeat it.
What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing?
What is she doing?
What
Devansh
is she
Udvani.
doing? What is she doing?
Wait. Repeat.
What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing?
Yes, Devansh. Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
But I can't. Start with me. You all have to repeat. I can read your lips. I can watch you all. क्यों, कौन बोल रहा है, कौन नहीं बोल रहा है? Okay, Devansh, start with me. What is she doing?
What is she doing?
Devansh, louder. I can't hear you. What is she doing?
What is she doing?
Devansh, Devansh, बेटा अच्छे से.
What is she
What
doing?
is she doing?
What is
Yes,
she
repeat
doing?
5 times.
What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is
इतना
she
स्लो
doing?
क्यों बोल रहे हो आप? Yes, if there is a boy, then what will you say? If there is a boy, then what will you say? क्या यूज करते हैं बॉय के साथ? देवांश, what we use with boy?
Ma'am,
He or she?
Ma'am, he.
He. So what is he doing? Repeat it. What is he doing?
What is he doing?
What is he doing?
What is
Very
he
good.
doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing?
Yes.
What is he
Okay,
doing?
stop. Okay,
Ma'am,
stop. Okay,
Ma'am,
now. Mute yourself. Now, Jitesh. Yes, Jitesh. Unmute yourself, Jitesh. Okay, now give me answer, Jitesh. What is he doing? Jitesh, unmute yourself. I can't hear you, Jitesh. Unmute yourself. So, yes, Garv Prajapat.
Yes, ma'am.
Garv Prajapat. Yes, beta. Bolo, what are you? What is he doing?
What is he doing?
Yes. आजकल बॉयज मोस्टली क्या प्ले करते हैं?
Ma'am, boys.
You have to give the answer for that. Yes, boys mostly क्या करते हैं? He is playing Free Fire. Free
Ma'am,
Fire गेम है ना, मोस्टली बॉय प्ले करते हैं.
yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, आपकी
So,
आवाज.
repeat it. He is playing Free Fire.
He is playing Free Fire.
He is playing. Yes, or whatever you are playing, you can give the answer. He is playing Free Fire. Repeat it. Garv, first switch on your camera. Okay. Now repeat. He is playing Free Fire. Everyone have to repeat. He is playing Free Fire. 5 times. Yes, Garima. He is playing Free Fire. Okay. So these sentences you have to use at your home with your parent, with your siblings, means brother and sisters, and with your friends. Okay. So this is your homework. Right? Done? Okay, Nakshita, Soumya, Garima. Yes, Garima.
Yes, ma'am.
Muskan. Okay. You have to repeat these sentences. Okay. So if you want to ask something, then ask. Yes, Kalpit.
मैम आज का होमवर्क क्या है?
Your homework is this, that whatever sentence we have learned and practiced today, you have to use this with your parents, with your brother, sister, and friends. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. It's your last
Ma'am, I
class.
leave class.
Yes, you can leave. If you want to ask something, then ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Okay, bye everyone.
Hello,
Have a
bye,
nice day.
ma'am.
Keep practicing. Okay, you have to practice.
Ma'am.
Okay, bye. I will ask to your
Hello.
parents that you are using sentence or not.
Hello.
Okay, bye everyone. Have a nice day. Kashvi.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
मैम मैम 10 सेंटेंस बता दी क्या रख दो बाय मैम
Beta, your voice is not clear. Okay, bye. Message me. Yes, Kashvi. Bolo.
बाय मैम
Yes, Kashvi.
बाय मैम
Bye everyone.
मैम ये देखो मेरा बाय बाय मैम
Yeah, Kashvi, wait, beta, एक minute. Bye, 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 bye.
मैम
Yes, Kashvi, wait. Yes, Kashvi, say.
मैम
Yes, Kashvi. Yes.
मैम मैंने ना मैम मेरी कॉपी में मैम 10 सेंटेंस लिखे हैं मैम, मैं आपको पढ़कर बताऊं?
Beta, not right now. In next class, I will ask. I have to start my next class. Okay?
एक बार सुन लूं।
Okay, beta. Okay, jaldi.
Okay, ma'am.
We are already late.
Online class. I am watching TV. I am eat breakfast. I am play in my house. I am study in my room. I am eat the dinner. I am watching a mobile. I am go to play. I am play. He is playing Free Fire. She is playing Free Fire.
Very good. But some sentences are wrong. Please send me on my WhatsApp. Okay? Okay, till then, bye, beta. I have to leave. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
also leave.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.